welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm bringing you all the realness for May, the best products that I've purchased this month, and one product that I absolutely do not like, and I want my money back. So if you want to see what product that was and what else I purchased in the month of May, then just keep watching. Get my phone. So the first products that I want to talk about are these vegan brushes by BH Cosmetics. This, actually, I'm going to pull it up on my phone here and read about it and tell you what it is. These brushes are very, very affordable. They retail right now. They're sold out. They stay sold out on their website like all the time. But they retail for $11. You get 4 brushes. You get a fan brush. And this is more like a flat top, just a regular flat top foundation brush, just what it looks like. And then you have this small little brush here. And they have numbers on them, kind of like Morphe brushes, which I think is so cool. This one is the V17. This one says the V12. And this big powder brush is this says V11. So do you see that powder that's coming out there? So I have used them. I don't use fan brushes much. Usually whenever I do my highlighting, I just use like my finger or a smaller brush, but I really don't use fan brushes. I don't know, call me weird. But anyways, these are very worth the money. I would recommend that you go buy them. And yeah, they're only $11 and they have fast shipping. And I think the shipping's cheap too. It's like $3 or something like that. The last brush that I want to talk about is the brush that I got in my BoxyCharm. This says P12. It's from the brand Aesthetica. This is really good. I've been using this. It's kind of got a tapered point to it, almost, kind of, sort of, yeah. And I've been using it to kind of like get in the hollows of the cheek, kind of like to either bronze or contour, either one. But I really am loving this brush right here. So that's all for brushes. So next I'm going to talk about this Cover FX primer. You guys know you have to prime before you put makeup on, and I never did understand why, but you do, and it works, and I still don't understand why. I just know that it works. So take it from me, you have to prime or you're going to look oily and your makeup's going to slide off and all that stuff. So anyway, this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I did get this in my BoxyCharm also for the month of May, and this retails for $38 at Sephora. You do get 1 ounce, and it is basically what it says. It's a blurring primer, and it is kind of pricey. You guys know, like, Cover FX is kind of expensive. Sephora stuff is more on the pricier end. You can find a good drugstore primer. I just really like this. I've never bought this, so when I got it, I was excited to try it. So I will. I'm literally almost out of it already because I use a lot of it. Well, it's probably not almost out. But anyways, I've used a lot. So anyways, I will repurchase it when I'm out. This and the Professional, yeah, it has to be like my #1, you know, primers. Moving right along to eyeshadow palettes, I only have 3, but 3 absolutely amazing eyeshadow palettes, and that would be none other than the Shayla and X Colourpop Perception palette. Like, I love this. I got this last month when she dropped it, and it has a huge mirror on it, which you can see there. It has a huge mirror, and I love that. Like, I love palettes with mirrors. And then you have 16 shades here, a beautiful range, and then the back of it has the names of all the colors and everything. And I love like how it looks like paint splatter. Like, I don't know, I love it. Like Shayla, Colourpop, that's absolutely amazing. It's really good. They're very pigmented. I guess I could have swatched something and showed you so you didn't have to just take my word for it. Like this shade right here is called, oh, that's called TF. We all know what that stands for, but it looks like this. You'll see that right there. Can you see it? Oh, girl, can you see it? Can you see it? Anyways, and then there, these transition shades are in here. These are so pretty. This is called, no, this one's called Thick. It's an orange shade. Let me see. See there? I'm a horrible swatcher. But anyway, I would never ever lie to you. Just buy it. I mean, I would never lie to you. It's worth it. I can't swatch and show you because I don't know how to swatch stuff. This one right here is called IE. This green. It's probably my favorite. Look at this. Let me find how to do it. My wrist is like crooked, y'all. Maybe I can swatch it like right here. Look here. Yeah. Well, it's not showing up there, but it does show up on the lid. So you have, I'm going to swatch it like this and show you. IE. That's what the green shade is in the middle. Look how pretty. Oh, this right here is a lipstick, so that's not part of her palette. But I'll share that with you in a minute. Oh, no, that is part of her palette. That is her Colourpop This is her Luxe lipstick. Yeah, because I swatched it because I was wanting to show you the peachiness of it. That is actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. And it looks like this. It's part of her collection. It's the shade Ooh that I've been wearing in all of my recent videos because I just love it. But yeah, these are $7 separately, or you can buy her whole collection for 50 some odd dollars. But anyway, this is awesome. Like, this is probably, and they're so smooth, even though they're matte. Like, you know, a lot of matte lipsticks are drying. That's not drying at all. So anyways, that's some swatches from there. So next, you guys know I had to include these bad boys right here. These are the Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. These I got in Sephora for $27. And you guys, I was honestly, I promise, like I would never lie to you. I was going to just buy one, okay? But when I got in there and they had them all on display and I started swatching, for example, this, look at this. I think I've already used this purple. I think you guys have already seen it. Look, that is amazing. And then this, like, look at this color right here. I don't know, it's like a maroonish burgundy-ish color. What? Do you see that? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this middle one right here is really pretty too. I don't know if I've used that yet, but let's see. Oh man, I'm a horrible swatcher, but those pigments, you guys, this is very much an amazing palette. They're small, but they pack a lot of punch. You know what I'm saying? And it's worth the money. So like I said, I wasn't going to get both of them. And so I swatched this, like, okay, I'm going to get this, put it in my bag, or put it in my baggie, or my little basket. I was walking to the checkout line, and lo and behold, they didn't have this other one up there, and this is the smoky one for smoky eyes. And you know, you guys, I have a weakness for golds and shimmers. When I seen this one, I was just like, this is a setup. And I literally told the lady at the checkout, like, this is a setup. Like, I didn't want to get all of these because I have browns and taupes and everything. I have blacks. Like, I don't need another palette like this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
But the whole game changed when I swatched this silver right here. Can we see that? When I swatched that, look here. And that's what made me buy it. That one. Yeah. That's what did it. Yep. That one, and oh, look at this one. Look at that one. I don't even know if y'all can see it. I don't even know. I ran out of places to swatch. Okay, look here. Ooh, look here. Oh, that looks crazy. Can y'all see that? And then this one down here on the bottom. I'm a horrible swatcher. I've run out of places to swatch. On my big body, I've run out of places to swatch. This is the Smoky Obsessions palette. Worth it. Go get it. $27. Also, this right here is super, super neat. I'm going to show you guys this. I got this at Target. This is the Clean Dry Brush Spray. Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. Yeah. That's what this is. It's from Sony Cash. It's from Target. I'm going to show you how this works. If you guys like hate washing brushes like I do and make sure all your brushes are clean and this, that, and the third, you guys, let me show you this trick. Oh my God. You have to go to Target. You have to get this. It was like $6. I got a small bottle. They do have a big bottle. I was going to try the big bottle, but I always like trying the smaller ones first, and then if it works, then I'll get it and go back and spend the money for the other ones. But let me show you. This is a quick dry. It's like, it don't even feel like there's anything in here. It's like, it's nothing. It's just like nothing. So, I'm going to show you how it works really, really quickly. So I'm just going to take some of this, like, I got a clean Morphe brush right here, and I'm just going to take as if I got this brown from, okay, this is Played Out from Shayla's collection, okay? You see how dark that is, right? So usually when we go in with like, we're going to put it like right here. Let me just, you know, smudge the brush around. I'm going to pick up some thick, and I'm going to do it like that. You know, just get the brush a little bit dirty. You know, basically I just want to show you a dirty brush, okay? Can you see that? Dirty brush. Now, all you do is to take and spray this. This has made makeup so easy. This has made my life like it's just made my life, you know. So anyways, it just says to get a washcloth and to spray it on the washcloth. So I'm just going to spray some just like that, just a little bit. And it, like, I don't know, it's like not wet and watery, but you take your brush and it says to just swirl it around in there for a couple seconds, and it's literally dry. Your brush is clean. Like, I use this on a daily basis. It makes cleaning so much easier, especially like if I go in with like dark colors and stuff. Same with this one. You just swirl it around, and wherever you just sprayed that, which I can't remember where I sprayed it, because all I see is a ring light because the light is blinding me. My washcloth looks like a light. So anyways, you just spray it and then you got a clean brush. Like, do you guys see this? It's amazing. It's probably the best product that I've purchased the entire month. No joke. The last thing I want to talk about that I absolutely love, I just think it's cute. You know, when we spray and douse ourselves in setting spray, we always, you know, have a fan or something. Or I thought it was so cute. This morning I was watching Allie Glines, and her husband bought her this like portable fan, and it literally just sits on her makeup desk. I don't know, it's about like this big. It's like battery operated, and it just literally, it's just like a little fan. But this I just thought was cute. I got this at the flea market this month. Ain't that bougie, y'all? Like, what? And it was just $1, but it makes life so much easier when you have to fan yourself, you know. It's all about those easy shortcuts in life. So the last product that I want to talk about that I absolutely hate and that I will never spend money on again is this Hard Candy Matte Sheer Envy Setting Spray. It's supposed to control oil. That's a lie, because it did not today. And it's supposed to minimize pores. That's a lie. It did not. It's supposed to last 12 hours. This is all a complete lie. I'm sorry, Hard Candy. This is the first thing I've ever tried, I think, of this brand. I picked it up at Walmart, and I don't know, oh, it was in another state, but I picked it up at Walmart, and I was like, ooh, you know, matte setting spray. No, it just doesn't work. Before I sat down to film this video, I literally looked like that bottle of grease, like Crisco, because it just didn't work. And when I looked at myself, I was like, oh my god. So I literally had to like powder all over again before I sat down to film, because it just looked ridiculous. So anyways, yeah, I'll never buy this again. And I don't know, if somebody can't use it like my sister, I'll probably just throw it in the garbage because it's just taking up space here. But anyways, that is it for my May favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up and join the family. Maybe we can have coffee sometime. And yeah, until next time, stay beautiful.